Hello and welcome to Easy Project webinar. Today's webinar is called Easy Project Affiliate Program because we would like to introduce you to our affiliate program that we have recently launched. So, if you are watching us on Facebook, you can also see there a link for our website where you can find out the information about affiliate program and you can follow the information that I'll be sharing today. Well, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Anna Ogunusi. I work in Easy Software as a business development manager, and you can always get in touch with me on our chat. So if you ever used our chat window on our website or in our application over here, you will actually connect straight to me. So over here, Anna, that's me. So, as I said, we have recently launched our affiliate program, which actually allows you to get rewarded for recommending Easy Project to your contacts, to your family, to your business partners, or anyone you know. So, do you know anyone who wants to actually increase efficiency, save time, increase productivity, which actually means that they are looking for a project management software? Well, in such case, you can actually make a huge difference to them by recommending them to Easy Project. And all you have to do to actually join our Easy Project affiliate program is fill in a form, and based on that form, we will give you all your affiliate details. So when you're on our website, you can just click here on the button, Become Affiliate Now. And a form will open where you can just fill in your basic details, which is your name, your email, and your phone number. Based on this form, we will send you your personal link. And with this personal link, you can just share it with your contacts. You can share it on your website, on your social media. And when people make a purchase through your personal link, then you get paid 15% commission. So who should actually join the affiliate program? So anyone who can promote this product to businesses, government bodies, project management community, implementers, consultants, influencers, etc. I personally believe that everyone needs project management tool. Because when you think about it, even your personal life is a project. You need to organize your life. You need to know what are you supposed to do next, who is responsible for which task. And the same way, or even more, it works in your business life. So no matter the size of your company or no matter the size of companies of your contacts, actually when you tell people about Easy Project and when you send them your personal link and they will come to Easy Project, they will find out a bit more about project management software that we offer. You will see that actually everyone will be able to implement it and make use of it in their business. So who should you refer? Basically anyone who can make use of a professional project management tool, especially company CEOs, CFOs, project managers, but also small business owners, because Easy Project is actually suitable for individuals, freelancers, as well as small companies, middle-sized companies, and big enterprises as well. So if you want to actually find out more about Easy Project itself, there is this piece on our website where you can watch a short video about Easy Project. As well, if you don't have your free account, your free trial, you can sign up for free, and for 30 days, you can test Easy Project, where you will get unlimited number of users and projects for 30 days, and you will have access to all the features and extension modules that Easy Project offers, which means that you will get a know-how about the software, and you will get a good feel about how you can work with the software and who you should actually recommend it to and how your contacts can benefit from using our software. So what actually happens once you refer a customer? So when you refer a customer and that customer actually purchases Easy Project, you can actually track your commissions in the affiliate portal. So as I said, once you fill in the form of our website that you are interested in joining affiliate program, you will receive an email with your details, with your login details, as well as your affiliate link. So let me show you what it looks like when you log in into the affiliate portal. So once you log into your affiliate portal, you will be able to find there your link as well as other information. So this is what your affiliate portal can look like. You can actually see your conversions, meaning people who actually, conversions are people who have registered for Easy Project, so they have at least a trial account, the free account, and once they would sign up for a paid account, you would see it over here in your commissions. You can also filter these informations over here based on, you can see all time, like 6 days, 30 days, 15, 7 days, and just today. So conversion meaning that the person has actually signed up either for the free account or they have made a purchase. If they made a purchase, you would see the value over here, and you would see the exact commission, which is 15% over here. You can also make a custom search over here. So then you can also see here your traffic log, which means you'll be able to actually track where are people coming from to your link, because you can see that actually my link, my personal link, I have posted it on Facebook, I have posted it on LinkedIn, I have even posted it in email, etc. So you can track here how many people actually visited your link or came through your link every single day, and which source did they come through. So now we come to the thing, where is your link? So as you can see, this is my account tab. It's actually a summary of everything, where you can see your link. So this is account affiliate link. You can see that your affiliate link is actually active. It will be activated automatically once it's created. And you can see what kind of commission are you getting from your link. So 15% is the flat rate for everyone. So how it works in practicality. So you would copy this link and you could post it on your social media, on your LinkedIn, or on your website. So you can actually have a banner, and you can have if people click the banner, they will get straight, they will click through your link to our website. And as you can see, nothing really changes when the website opens, but our cookies will remember that that person came from that IP through your affiliate link, meaning that even if they don't register straight away, if they don't sign up for the free account straight away, but they come back, let's say in 5, 7, 8, 10 days, and then they sign up, or then they go to the pricing, and they purchase one of our plans, the professional, team, business, etc., it will be actually counted towards your commission because it remembers the cookies. And as I said, you can actually use the link on your website when you place a banner on your website. Because as you can see over here, we actually have things to download for you. So once you log into Affiliate Area, you can find here the download button over here, and it allows you to download files that will help you in promoting your Easy project. So we'll open the file. And this file actually contains banners. Let me share that with you as well. So as you can see, this is the file we downloaded. It contains logos of Easy Project, So it contains logos over here. You will find there also various banners in various sizes. You will find there product sheets with basic information about Easy Project. And we also have public articles that you can actually post on your website or in your blog or on your LinkedIn. And they are for various industries because, as you probably know, Easy Project is suitable for all kinds of industries. So we have prepared several articles that you can use different depending on the target group that you have. So you can use it for people who work in services. You can use it for public good providers, industrial project management. If you know someone, you can recommend it in schools or development, software development, etc. So as you can see, there is variety of banners and articles and logos that you can place on your website. And should there be something in particular that you are looking for and that you did not actually find over here, just feel free to get in touch anytime and we'll do our best to provide it for you. So that's about downloads. And then as you can see, we have our last step in our affiliate account, which is payments. So over here, you will see actually we make payments of your commissions. Once your commissions has reached at least 500 euros, then you can request for your commissions to be paid out. So you will provide us with an invoice, and based on the invoice, we'll pay your commissions. And then all those payments you'll be able to see over here. So you will find there basic information: when was it paid, how was it paid, if it has been already paid or if it's pending, etc. And you will see the last amount that has been paid to as well. So as you can see, you'll find all the information about your affiliate account over here. So you will see the conversions, the traffic log, where the traffic is coming from, if people have registered at least for the free account or if they've actually made a purchase. You will always be able to go back and copy your affiliate link or from over here. If you want, actually, you can also have several links. So once you would request a new affiliate account link, you would have several of them here. And then you can also track the payments of the commissions itself. And once you are in your affiliate area, and should you have any questions, you always have an email straight for me here over here, or you can also send me a question on our chat. So what's the difference between our affiliate program and our partner program? Because when you go to our website, in our contacts, you can actually find information about our partner program and how you can become an Easy Project partner. So basically, partner program is meant for face-to-face sales, as in if you are a company who actually specializes in providing softwares to clients, or if you do some software trainings and then you implement the softwares within companies and you actually meet people face to face and it's part of your business, then you can become a partner. And should this be something of your interest, you can just go to our website and in the tab contacts you can find become a partner. So partner program is face-to-face, while our affiliate program is something that does not actually require any effort from your side, because you can just share it on your social media, or you can send out a mailing campaign to your contacts, or you can post a banner on your website, which means that the banner is there. The only effort that is required from your side is to put the banner up on your website and then link it with your affiliate link. And people who visit on your website will be simply clicking on the banner. They will go straight to our website and they can purchase in our e-commerce. So that does not require as much effort from your side. So just to sum up, affiliate program is e-commerce based, while partner program is face-to-face based. But should you have any questions about those, just feel free to get in touch. So, should you have any questions, feel free to type in our question and answer feature at the bottom of the webinar. And should you have any questions anytime later, well, you can simply go to this website. You will find there my contact, or you can always chat with me in our window. So I'm looking forward to serving those who will be today registering for our affiliate program. Remember that you can just go to our website, click on Become an Affiliate Now, just fill in your name, your email, and your phone number, and we will register you within a moment to our affiliate program. And once you are registered, you will receive an email, and we actually offer you a consultation, online consultation as well, where we can tell you a bit more about our affiliate program. Because everyone's business is different, you might want to promote it different ways. So we can discuss that as well. And we can tell you a bit more in detail what exactly should you do to promote Easy Project as an affiliate. And we can even help you with actually promoting it on your social media or on your website, etc. So that's it for today. I would also like to let you know that actually if you are already our existing partner, you can become an affiliate as well, which means that it actually adds value to your channel program with Easy Project, because on top of having face-to-face clients, you can actually place a banner on your website and people can be purchasing through e-commerce as well, which means effortlessly for you. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I'm looking forward to having you joining our affiliate program. Should you have any questions, get in touch, and soon we'll be posting on our website information about our next webinar. So thank you for your attention and good luck with your projects.